Hey everybody, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home to some of the most useful Excel tools out there. We specialize in creating Excel-based solutions that make complex calculations simple and efficient. Over the last 2 years, we've received over 130 glowing reviews on Google from satisfied users who rely on our tools to streamline their work. From truck drivers to logistics managers, people constantly tell us how much easier our tools have made their lives. Take a moment to check out what others are saying. You'll see why so many trust us to simplify their IFTA filings and much more. Every week, we receive emails of appreciation from our clients. We're incredibly proud of this feedback and remain committed to providing tools that make a real difference. Today, we've got something truly special for you, a tool that makes calculating your total IFTA miles easier than ever before. This tool is especially useful for truck drivers and logistics companies needing to calculate state miles for IFTA reporting. Whether you're managing a list of 100 trips or 1,000 trips, this tool can handle it all and simplify your IFTA filing process. It's designed to calculate the total miles driven, broken down by state, so you can file your IFTA reports with ease. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. Like all of our tools, this one is built entirely in Excel. That means there's nothing to install. All you need is the desktop version of Excel, and you're good to go. The tool also uses the Google Maps API to calculate distances, so you'll need a Google Maps API key. But don't worry, we got a separate video that walks you through how to set it up. It's free, takes just 5 minutes, and you'll be ready to start using the tool. Once you've downloaded the tool, you'll enter your trips for the quarter using zip codes, cities, or full addresses. For the most accurate results, we recommend using full addresses, but the tool is flexible enough to work with just a zip code or city if needed. Once your trips are entered, simply click the Calculate button. The tool will compute the driving distance, driving time, and miles driven per state. For example, let's take a trip from California to Washington, D.C. The tool calculates the total distance and breaks down the miles by state. For your IFTA filing, you can use the Summary feature by clicking the Summary button to generate a detailed report of miles driven in each state for the quarter. It's really that simple. And here's the best part. We're always here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, give us a call or send us an email. We actually answer the phone and would love to hear from you. You can also contact us via live chat on our website, ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where you'll be assisted personally by Vinny, the mastermind. No bots involved. Thank you so much for watching. If this tool sounds like what you need, check out the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tools and tips to simplify your work. Don't wait too long though. IFTA deadlines are just around the corner. Until next time.